Coming in workshop of steel, here all type of stirrup are ready and different kind of they are being used for preparation of building in a construction. I am going to show you the different machine. This is the cutting machine that cutted the rod or TMT as the required length. And this is the second step for preparing of stirrup as per their required length. A bunch of stirrup ready together. These stirrup process are made by the machine. Stirrup are being ready for the use. I am going to show you the manual process of making a stirrup, which are also the older process. This is the manual process of making stirrup.